comprehensive plans on tourism. In my constituency, there is a pilgrimage. There is a holy pilgrimage which is called Hakun Raja. Every year in the month of April, thousands of devotees come. The program is to be held for 2 days. But there is no road, there is no water. It's at the top of Mount Hill. Thousands and thousands of people come. They have requested me also that government should look into it. So, I think the tourism department or the concerned minister who holds the portfolio will look into it. After the government had introduced Swadesh Darshan scheme, the smart city Agartala, this is very important. I'm talking in the house. The smart city Agartala constructed a toilet, septic tank inside Ujjayanta Palace, which is the pride, which is the heritage of a state. So, can we just imagine what kind of peanut-sized butter bread that employees are having? Where care puja is being done, there, how can you even think of constructing a toilet, a septic tank? This is not going in the right way. So, this is why I am saying that how will we take pride? How will we go out and say that we have this rich culture, our pride, our heritage? We cannot claim in this kind of mentality. Coming to Nesha Mukt Bharat or state or whatever, National Mukt slogan is violated in all subdivisions. Let me tell you why. Because every drug addict or the one who buy drugs, they know where the dealer is. I'm not targeting the intelligence of the state or the source of the police. But you see, every buyer knows where the dealer is, but the police doesn't. So there is something lacking in between the system. There is something gap between the source. There is something lacking within us. So as the elected representative of the concerned area, I don't know about other areas, I have been watching, I have been taking data. So I hope the Home Department will look into it with strict actions. And talking about power and water connections, due to the experiment of few agencies in the state, which comes from center or the new agencies, it's like both the department are not sticking. Due to their not sticking behavior, my people are suffering. Here, the address of the government had stated that 73.74% tap water connection has been covered. See, let me not educate the government, but I would like to say the survey should be complete when the water reach up to the house, not only the tap. So, my constituency has more than 13 to 14 villages who have never seen a sign of water given by government. They still dig the mud nearby the stream, nearby the river, which is not drinkable during monsoon season. There are tons of places which needs to be visited by government. I have visited more than 12 areas. No official had reached that village. No legislator in the past had reached that village. But I have gone there. They hold my hand and cry that, sir, we hope in you, we hope in the government. They never care what the government is, who the government is, which party is ruling, which party is taking the responsibility to all the schemes reaching up to there. They never care. What they want is water, electric, and roads. There are many villages which needs to be intervened, and I hope the department will do so. And last but not the least, we all in this house, we have been showing sympathy on ABC, the Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Councils, and the people of the ABC. We thus already saying that Janjatis are developed, it's developing. Yes, it's developing. But see, where is the gap? The Mukhyamantri Satellite Town Development Scheme, which is of 500 crores. Mukhyamantri Nagar Unnayan Prakalpa, 1500 crores. And what about ADC? This house knows better what the fund flow is in the ADC. Whatever we may say, whatever we may shout here in the house, but deep inside we all know how it is funded to the ADC, how the fund flow is going, we all know that. Let's not go to the logistic or the statistic or whatever the fund flow is. I would like to conclude. I will say, please do not keep the people, the indigenous people of Tripura at the bottom of the government priorities. And there will be no development if the government officials keeps on entertaining politicians. This is what I am again repeating in the house. Government officials should be trained. They should know their job, their work culture and ethics. Let them be sincere to their duties, then half of the problems of the state will be gone. So, thank you once again for letting me speak. Happy New Year once again. Thank you.
ধন্যবাদ মাননীয় সদস্য পিনাকি দাস চৌধুরী।
মাননীয় অধ্যক্ষ মহোদয়, রাজ্যপালের ভাষণ আলোচনা, সেই আলোচনায় আমি রাজ্যপালের ভাষণকে সম্পূর্ণভাবে সমর্থন করি বলতে চাই। বিশেষ করে ওনার ভাষণে পরিষ্কার দেশের সরকার, আমাদের প্রধানমন্ত্রী নরেন্দ্র মোদীর নেতৃত্বে এবং আমাদের রাজ্যের মুখ্যমন্ত্রী ডক্টর প্রফেসর মানিসার নেতৃত্বে সমস্ত সেক্টরের বিকাশ কাজ রাজ্যে যে এগিয়ে যাচ্ছে, এটা কিন্তু একটা পরিষ্কার নির্দেশ দেশে। এই জায়গায় আমি বলবো, যারা সেখানটা বলার চেষ্টা করতে পারবা, আমি মনে করি বিরোধিতা যারা করে তারা বিরোধিতা অবশ্যই করতেই পারে, কিন্তু বাস্তব ঘটনা আমরা যদি ওনাদেরকে যদি প্রশ্ন 25 বছর ক্ষমতায়